My video is about removing the ransomware called Wwty. This Wwty is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware actually encrypts the files and appends this Wwty extension additionally to the file names. My video is only for educational purposes. Of course, I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I got this sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database, which is controlled and run by Google. Anyway, this ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends this Wwty extension additionally to the file names. And so, because of the ransomware's attack, it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends the Wwty extension to the file names. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the funds. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste the money. I recommend that you actually remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start researching the computer with its help. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and then the scanning will begin. But in your case, most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this important update stage. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data by adding certain folder on your computer. And the contents of that folder will always be protected by Combo Cleaner Premium. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. If you choose Premium, you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. In the description to the video, you will find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.